Hello, my name is Simon Bork. I'm your Scrum instructor. If you haven't watched my tutorial on Minecraft, I encourage you to do it now. Today I'm going to teach you 5 tips so that you can build structure really quickly inside the class. So let's get to it. So the first thing that you need to know is to build a structure. You can use all the resources, and the easiest resource that you can gather in Minecraft is dirt. So right now I'm using my left mouse button to gather dirt, and I'm gonna gather as much dirt as I can right now. I'm gonna select the dirt using the mouse wheel on the first inventory slot, and then I'm gonna use my right mouse button to put the dirt on the ground, just like that. And so as you can see, I can create structures like this. One thing that I want to bring your attention to is the weird use of gravity in Minecraft. So let's say I'm building a roof like this, and I'm removing this pillar, and the roof stays in the air just like that. So that was the first tip. Let's go to the second tip. So now that you know how to build stuff and gather the resources, you probably want to go faster. And instead of doing that with your bare hands, you probably want to craft yourself some tools like an axe or a shovel or a pickaxe if you want to go through the rock. So the first step is going to be crafting a crafting table. Okay, so now that I have some logs, I'm going to go in my inventory with pressing the E key button on my keyboard, and you can see at the top right I have a crafting area of 4 space. I'm gonna on the left side I have the objects that I can craft in Minecraft. So right now I can craft planks, and that's all I want to do right now. So I'm crafting all the planks in the world. Now I have the crafting table available. The crafting table is gonna give me more space to craft, and I'm gonna be able to craft for example, a stone axe needs a crafting table. So I'm going to access the crafting table by right-clicking on it. So now you can see that I can craft more objects already. So to create a wooden shovel, I need 2 sticks and 1 plank. So let's go to the magnifying glass. This is the search. It's going to give me all the objects I can craft at a 1-click distance. So now I can create the sticks. I'm going to create 8 sticks, and now you can see that the objects now are available, like the pickaxe and the shovel and the wooden axe and whatnot. So let's create the pickaxe and the wooden the pickaxe, the wooden shovel, and the wooden axe. All right, so now I can have a wooden shovel. The third trick that I want to show you is how to gather rare resources as quickly as possible. By doing so, you start by digging a hole until you reach rock, and then you can use your pickaxe and keep going down just like that. You dig, you dig, you dig until you reach iron. The iron is going to be useful for us to build iron bars, and then you will be able to craft iron tools, and iron tools are going much faster through the rocks. So you can see it's taking some time for us to go through that iron there. So I can keep going down, and I'll probably find another type of resource eventually, just like that. So of course, to get out now, it's really far. What I can do really quickly is I can gather some more rocks around me, just like that. The trick to get out is to jump. And as you are in the air, you can simply place a block underneath you. And this is going to allow you to gain some height with your blocks so that you can get out of that hole easily. Okay? So let's do it. I'm going to select the cobblestone. I'm going to jump and place a block underneath myself, just like that. There you go. So I'm going back to my crafting table, and now you can see with the cobblestone that I harvested, I can build a furnace. And with the furnace, you'll be able to craft more advanced tools such as stones, iron stones, and stuff like that. So I can put the furnace on the ground, access its content, and there are two slots, one to burn something and the other one to transform the resource into a different resource. The last trick that I want to show you is that you can use your shovel or any kind of tool, and then you can right click on some of the block objects, and then that's going to access a different feature of that tool. I take the axe and I find myself a tree, let's say that tree over there, and I right click. I'm going to remove the bark on the tree, so it becomes stripped logs. So that completes the video for today. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to see you at the class. So have a good rest of your day.